would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. Today we are cleaning up a storm, so I hope that you clicked on this video ready for some cleaning motivation. We are cleaning the fridge, we are tidying up around the house, we are getting into some disgusting household appliance kind of gunk. This video is packed with cleaning motivation, so grab your cleaning supplies and let's clean together. We're starting off today in the fridge. It has been a while since I cleaned my fridge out properly. As you can see, like, it's not very out of order, but it did need some cleaning up, so that is where we are starting today. I'm just taking all of the things out of the fridge, giving it a wipe down, and then restocking the fridge.
The night is young, so are we, baby. Young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives.
And the best part about this cleaning video is that groceries were just delivered, so we have a full fridge, and I will be restocking everything that we were out of, such as you see me putting chicken in the freezer right now, ice cream and stuff like that. I did have a little bit of difficulty packing everything in the freezer because, as you can see, I only have this amount of freezer storage and a bunch of food items, plus I am storing breast milk, and I did not want to like have chicken stuff or meat stuff amongst like the breast milk and stuff, so it took me a while to kind of figure out how I was going to store this. I had to like grab for the knife and punch some holes in some of the plastic bags, like for the fries and stuff like that, just to get some of the air out so that I can like squish things inside there for it to be a proper storage. Now we're on to the second part of the fridge. In here I like to keep my vegetables, so like bell peppers, carrots and stuff like that. So I'm just cleaning up in here as well, and then we will be restocking with everything that I keep in there.
Let's go.
Yes, I label everything in my fridge. I am kind of a organization freak. I love everything labeled and in their places to keep things easy to find. So I'm labeling the carrots, I'm labeling the used vegetables such as, you know, half cut onions, half cut carrots, half cut bell peppers, stuff like that. And then under the bottom I have a container also for just whole bell peppers. Like I said, the fridge is not a complete disaster, but it did need some tidying up. So I'm taking everything out of the fridge right now so that I can give it a good wipe down, and then I will be restocking it. And stay tuned for some ASMR as I restock the shelves in the fridge shortly. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, Aiden just woke up from his morning nap, so I am taking a break to feed him right here. But as soon as that is over, we are going to hop back to the fridge and finish restocking the fridge. After that, we will move on to tidying up the kitchen area, and Adam will also be in the midst preparing breakfast because we divide and conquer in this house. That is how we get things done and get things done efficiently. So if you're a new mom and you're struggling to find balance, I highly recommend just delegating with your partner on how you guys can work together and get domestic chores out of the way.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now.
Comment down below if you love seeing your fridge stocked with food. And guys, even though the fridge will have food, I will still like stress out about what's for dinner. It's like no matter how much food is in the fridge, I'm still confused as to what to eat for dinner every day.
Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best.
Alright, moving on to this disgusting microwave. As you can see, it hasn't been cleaned in so long. And then we're going to be moving on to the toaster oven. And you guys, prepare your hearts or your stomachs, because the toaster oven is disgusting. And actually, I couldn't even get majority of the gunk out because everything was dried and hard to get out, but I did do my best, and that is all that counts. So if you're working alongside me, I hope you are getting things done. I hope everything is going smoothly and productive. And watch out for Adam here with his salt-based skills.
Let me know, na, na, na. Give me a sign. Let me know, na, na, na. Let me know, na. Let me know, na, na, na. Give me a sign. Let me know, na, na, na. Let me know, na. Let me know, na, na, na. Give me a sign. Let me know, na, na, na. Let me know, na. Let me know, na, na, na. Give me a sign. Let me know, na, na, na. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
I also could not get into the crevices and the corners of the toaster oven, which made it super difficult for me to clean it. So I had to like take the whole thing down and hit it against the ground to get some of the crumbs out. And even then, it still did not get as clean as I wanted to get. But I guess this is what you get for not, you know, paying attention to appliances like this that you can't like tear apart and actually deep clean. But you know what, I did my best.
Talking to you, here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
Okay, so now we are moving on to our little snack area. This is the drawer where we tend to keep our snacks and just excess stuff that cannot fit in the pantry. Since we do not have a built-in pantry, we're just using a regular closet in the apartment to store pantry items.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
we are vacuuming out like crumbs and wiping it all down, giving it a fresh start, and then we are going to restock our snacks. Shortly after that, we'll be moving on to the living room area where we will be vacuuming the carpet, brushing it all off, and giving it a fresh start as well. If you're working alongside me, great job, you got this. Let's keep rolling.
Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, we are almost at the end of today's cleaning motivation. So right now I have finished all of the harder cleaning for the day, and now I am just picking up the living room area, doing a little bit of vacuuming. Guys, how satisfying are vacuum lines on your carpet after you have just completed vacuuming? Oh my god, it is the best thing ever. But we are kicking it into high gear so we can finish on a high note. So if you're working alongside me, pick up the pace. We're almost through. You're almost done. Let's get it done together.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low-key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.
And of course, since you also live in the house whilst I'm cleaning, the kitchen is a mess again. So I'm just picking it all up again for the second time of the day, and I'm sure this was not the last time that I ended up cleaning the kitchen this day, because domestic chores never ever end. But tell me down in the comments down below, how do you delegate chores in your house? Are you the one doing it all, or are you sharing domestic chores with your partner as well? Let me know down in the comments below.
My cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.
Okay guys, we are closing out today's cleaning motivation with a quick wipe down of the floors. The floors can get really messy from just cooking and daily walking traffic in and around the house. So I'm using the opportunity today, since Adam was doing nap, to just wipe off the floors and leaving it smelling and looking fresh and clean. If you are working alongside me, we are almost done, and I will see you at the finish line.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here.
If you're confused here, I'm just showing you a bit of the things that did not get done in today's get it all done cleaning motivation, because sis cannot do it all, okay? Guys, that is it for today's clean with me. Yes, I look like a hot mess, and that is why I did not show my face on camera at all today. But just so you know, there is at least two rooms and the bathroom that did not get touched today, because I am tired and I still have to be a mom. Aiden is currently giving his dad a hard time with the nap, and I am going to drink some water and rest a bit on the couch. But thank you so much for joining me. I hope that this video gave you some very much needed cleaning motivation, so you could get some things done off your to-do list. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys.